Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Ratchet and Clank. So last episode we made it to Quark's training thing. However, there is a thing that I forgot to do here on Rilgar. Now that we did the Blackwater City thing.
You got it! Great work, kid.
So, are you gonna represent me?
You bet, kid. And as a signing bonus, I got this.
Cool helmet.
That is a sonic summoner. It is used to attract sand mice.
Right, and it's all yours. Well, I'm off to finalize the paperwork. I'll have my people called your people.
Do you have people?
The sonic summoner allows you to interact with the mysterious and intelligent sand mice species. Despite their innocent appearance, sand mice are very effective and aggressive hunters. Simply equip the sonic summoner when you are near a sand mouse house, and a mouse will emerge to greet you. If the mouse likes you, it may offer a bit of high-caliber tactical assistance.
So that's what those things are. Neat. Also, I recently discovered and just now figured out I missed a gold bolt, and it's up there. But here's the thing, I can't get it yet. I'm missing an item that I will get later in the game. Alright, now back to Quark, whatever. Excuse me. Time to hop in to Clank. Now, blast off. Hey. Alright. And there's the music. Let's see, restock on whatever ammo I need. And that is nothing. Okay. Oh, son of a bitch. We loud ass bitch. Shut your dumb ass up. Wrong button. I am fucking awesome. on being like super awesome with my weaponry and stuff. Alright, so if you can tell by like the lack of commentary right now, I'm still waking up. I'm recording this like pretty early in the morning. I may not be early for all of you, but it's early for all of me. Yeah. Alright. Son of a bitch. Phew. Nailed it. Alright. Yippee. Sacagawea. I don't fucking know. Yay, a metric ass ton of bolts. Ow. Bitch. Boomerang. Boomerang. Alright, give me all the goodies. Yes. Sweet, sweet nanotech. Alright, what I open up? What did I open up? Okay, there it is. Good figure. It's been a good little while since I've done this course, but hey, muscle memory. Oh yeah, you could break the vents and make them look all sad. What the? Okay. I think there might have been like a bit of a graphical whatever. Ow. Either way, that should have hit me. God damn it. Fuck your happiness. Again, it happened again. Alrighty then. I'll be back. Yes. The rule of threes in video games. A very classic conundrum. And for this, I obtained Gold Bolt. Yay. Alright. And with this, I'll end the episode here. God damn it. Alright. Hope you all had fun. I know I did. Bye.